Who follow me?
Man, both of y'all some bitch ass, pussy ass, hoe ass nigga, man. My mama. And fuck 12, bitch. Come on. Fuck 12, nigga. Fuck 12, bitch. Fuck.
Really, come this way.
What, nigga? We put Glocks in your face. You ain't talking about that.
Okay,
Fuck you talking about, bitch ass little boy.
Yeah, push me too much.
What you want to go outside, nigga? What you want to come outside with them bitches, boy? We'll put that blick on.
That's fine.
Okay,
Bro, let me stop before they call admin.
Hey, bro, I was just playing, twin.
Salen las greñas todas allá para atrás.
Nah, twin, I was just playing. Hey, twin, I was just playing, twin. Yes, bro. 80.
I sent you something.
Damn, Jackboii. You going out like a Jackboii.
I don't know what the fuck went on over there.
Free me. Man, you ain't talking about nothing, bitch. You ain't talking about nothing. Y'all keep y'all guns out. Fuck that nigga. Man, fuck you, bro. And I'm gonna get back out. When I get back out, I'm gonna catch it. I'm gonna pop in your shit, pussy. Man, nah, bro. You ain't gotta put your shit up. Keep your shit out, bro. You a real nigga. Keep your shit out. Fuck what he talking about.
Well, I told you the funniest shit that happened today.
Yeah, nigga, you ain't talking about. You can't lock all us up, nigga. You can't lock all us up, bro.
I'm thinking
you can't lock all us up, bro.
You can't lock all y'all the fuck
up. Dude, it's a whole dude.
On 4 no grade, nigga. On 4 no grade, nigga.
Lock all y'all the fuck.
That's common.
I scared.
Yo, I swear to God, you embarrassing
You said
yourself.
Newkirk and what?
Newkirk and AD, nigga. AD. And now, what's the address?
QRT.
What you say?
Going toward Harbor.
Alright.
Going back towards PD. Going towards Dunnysburg.
We snatch, you wanna pound or you wanna zip. You cash it, we rap, you want some chains, then they over here. We got it, quit acting on the trouble of the fucking year.
Currently VCB.
I'm sorry, what'd you say?
I said, why you following me?
Girl, cause I'm jamming out.
Okay. Piss me off, weak ass bitch. That be weak as fuck. I'm gonna kill her every chance I see that bitch. You gotta let him off one, bitch.
Hey, bro, help, bro. Hey, bro.
Hey, what?
Hey, gang, come on, bro. Fuck.
No.
Man, gang, put pole on police, gang.
Hell.
Yeah, help the nigga out, please.
Yeah, they got you, bro. I can't.
Bet I'm on the way to the back of the
Help me, damn.
Put that pole on that nigga ass, bro. What's up, twin?
GP 163 to DFG Riley.
Man, I got
Awesome.
50 right now, cuz you lazy nigga die, cuz I got you 50 right now.
You gotta type on the floor if you want to get on the
I got you $1 million. I'm on you shoot the nigga right now. I got you $1 million, bro.
I got you $1 million for this nigga.
I got you $1 million. I swear to God, on my own, bro. I got you $1 million right now, bro. Swear. I can't.
2 seconds.
Man,
If I was
what you talking about?
Bro, hey, help. Hey,
come on, bro. Help a nigga out, man.
Hey, 3 minutes, kill that cop, nigga. Help. I ain't gonna lie, Bob. You gonna let me out this bitch, stuff.
That sounds like Tyson, bro.
10:15.
What?
Hey, bro. Say though, bro.
Did he just switch his voice? Oh hell no.
Say though, bro.
What you want, bro?
Hey, hell nah, fine. Hey, you not giving me no damn charge, nigga. Hey, let me out this bitch, bro. I'm not playing your ass, bro.
Say though, boy.
But let me out this bitch, fam.
Say, boy. Yeah.
3.1.
Bye.
But you just gave my boy 6 charges. Why you do my boy like that, dang?
Oh my God.
Ew.
I think you'll cook.
Seven charges, fam. What the fuck is you doing?
Bro, I ain't even do nothing but talk shit, bro.
What the fuck?
Bro, how you gonna give me all them charges, bro? Nigga ain't do nothing, bro.
Lock me up already. Lock me up already, bitch. You talking through it.
I'm saying though, can I get a phone call for y'all lock me up, bro? Alright, appreciate it. You take my shit on the chin, man.
Go for dispatch. Apparently not.
Out on traffic stop behind PD. Black G-Wagon.
You said what? They both got weed in their pockets, and it's gonna be smoked right in front of them.
Boy, you crazy? I do not got no weed. I don't even smoke no weed,
It's gonna be confiscated and smoked in front of you both.
Bro, I don't even smoke weed. You capping,
man.
son.
Oh, appreciate you, bro.
But I'm gonna tell you what I got. I got a gun on me, cuz that man talking about weed. I don't even smoke. That man capping.
Hey, I ain't got shit.
But the fuck, that man talking about some weed, bro. Your ass lying right here, bro. Don't play with me like that. I'm already knowing, Trevor. Don't play with me like that no more, boy. Talking about some weed, all that extra shit, man. Fuck you talking about, nigga. This ain't it. Nigga doing all that laughing.
I fucked the 24-year-old. This shit ain't nothing. Let's talk to that bitch.
Okay, yeah, my boy.
Oh my god, 1 year older than me. The fuck? That ain't mean
No,
shit.
she's not even 25 no more. This was
Hold up, bro.
this when I was 18.
Behind me, man. What you on, man? Freaky cuz.
Bro, you said I can get my call, bro.
Well, just because she older than me
Come on,
don't mean
Trey.
she
You said
has
I
the
can get my
experience
call, bro.
I have.
Nah, she definitely has more experience, my man. I know what I'm doing.
You said I can get my
Stop trying to
call
play
before I
me
go
like
in
I'm
the
a little
cell, bro.
kid or something.
So you into bondage, right? You into bondage? You into
Oh,
tasers?
damn. Oh, damn. You a fucking nympho.
Am I into tasers? Yo.
Yes.
Man,
The chains, the bungee
Yeah.
cord, the rope.